Now I am going to make peanut butter cookies. I've got the coconut oil out. I have got the 1 cup of almond flour, the 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour. I got the baking soda out. I got the melted coconut oil. I got the vanilla, and I'm going to put a little bit of caramel in it. And I've got the peanut butter in the wet and dry serve, and I'm going to cook them on the stoneware pan. So now that I have everything out here, I am going to start. And here's our batter bowl. I'm going to mix them by hand in the batter bowl. I forgot the egg. These are peanut butter cookies with, there, that helped a little bit. You get to see my whole kitchen. And we will just start. Start with 1 egg. Medium. Mix it up. A squirt of our stevia drops. This is vanilla. Our 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. There goes our healthy fats. I'm going to mix that up together. Now here you can use applesauce or monk fruit, but I'm just going to put the caramel in for sweetener. And again, I'm just going to put a good squirt of it in there. And I'm going to mix it up so it gives a little caramel and a little sweet taste. And then our 1 cup of coconut flour. Nope, almond flour, sorry. If you've ever worked with coconut flour, you know it's real fluffy and airy. So we're putting a 1/4 of a cup in there with our almond flour, so it will be light and fluffy and not so dense. Coconut flour is really, really, really dense. So we're mixing that up, and we need our baking powder. A half of a teaspoon. There goes that. Now this is our base. This is our cookie base. Pretty easy. Just took a minute. I got it in our batter bowl. We're going to mix it all up. And that's our base. Now I guess you would call the base sugar cookies. Now from here, you can do what you want with this base. You could throw your chocolate, make chocolate chips. You could put nuts in it. You could put, I don't know what else. Cookies you could make. We make our macarons with this base, just adding coconut. But today we're making peanut butter. So we're putting in 1 cup of peanut butter with our wet, dry measuring. And then we're just going to mix them up in there. Now, while I was waiting for things to cook and get done, I took my stoneware rectangular pan and I took the paper towel and I wiped it with coconut oil. So it is all ready to go. So again, we're mixing this up in the batter bowl. This is, make sure it's mixed up really good. I wonder. I'm gonna try something. Something different. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I saw the other day, I'm gonna try our chop-in mix because I saw one of the girls the other day doing cream cheese. I'm wondering if it worked. And it is. It's working wonderful. Cutting in. We'll say it's cutting in the peanut butter into the mix. Look at that. So there's another way to use your chop and stir. Wow. It's cutting it in very, very nicely. Very nicely. Getting the sides done. So you want to make sure your peanut butter's in there really good. And it came right off. So very good. I'm pleased with that. I'll remember that, to use that from now on. So there's our base. We'll go around the sides. I don't have my cookie scoops yet. They should be coming soon. So what I do is I take a 2 tablespoons and I scoop and I plop. Now you could make balls. I have done that before too. That just means I gotta squish them. But I like to measure them out. Because like everything, I gotta know exactly how much I'm putting in my mouth. So these are peanut butter cookies, and I'm gonna squish them and I'm gonna put chocolate drops in the middle of them. And I'm gonna put them in the oven for, it says 13 to 15 minutes. But we'll put them in for 13 minutes and then check them. And if they need to go in longer, we'll put them in longer. Just going to squish them. Now, we'll take our Walmart no sugar added, and in that little pouch, we're going to put chocolate. Just like that. So those who say, oh, you can't have this and you can't have that. We can have anything we want. We just have to make it our way. Can't remember what those Christmas cookies are called. The peanut butter cookies with the Hershey Kiss in the middle. That's what these taste like. With half the calories. They're made out of protein, almond flour, and coconut healthy fats. And the little bit of chocolate on top. And we're going to stick these in the oven for let's say 14 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 14 minutes.
14 minutes, starting now.
Okay. And again, there'll be stuff in the comments. The recipe will be in the comments. And of course, the picture when they're done.